experiencing rain and strong winds and high tides outside of Sur. It's Tuesday. What's the date today, Asawa?
Like a stingray underwater.
23rd.
Like a stingray underwater, but then it's
The cabanas just outside the hotel where we're staying at.
otherwise your little kid in the water.
Hey, baby.
Does the water take you back or a animal underwater?
No, the water will take you away.
Yeah, it will just like suck you out.
Daddy, you know there's a type of animal in the water who goes underwater who can